Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin recovery by going to the Gmail sign-in page and tapping Forgot Password. Enter your email, then follow prompts. You must prove you own the account. Use a device and location where you often sign in because Google flags familiar activity. If prompted, provide the last password you remember or an account creation timeframe to strengthen your claim. Once done, expect verification options like recovery email, phone code, or security questions to appear. Choose the method you can access right now. Next, complete the verification flow by selecting the recovery option available to you. Usually that's a code sent to your recovery email or phone. Type the code exactly as received, and if prompted, provide additional context such as the last password you used or the month you created the account. This helps Google confirm identity. If you had two-step verification set up, use Google Prompts or an Authenticator app code. Make sure to check spam folders for email codes and keep your phone nearby for SMS codes. Finally, when Google accepts verification, create a new password that's long, unique, and hard to guess. Avoid reusing passwords. After resetting, immediately review recovery email and phone entries and enable two-step verification for future protection. If you can't verify right now, use the account recovery form and provide as much accurate detail as possible. Then wait and try again, often retrying from a familiar device or location within 24 to 48 hours increases success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.